It usually starts with swapping heads, and then you start tapping and tuning and getting the drum to sound how you want it to sound. And then you start to test out the whole kit. And then all of a sudden you're just trying to explore something new. Now, obviously this new thing will be built out of things you can already play, but you're trying to mix and match and combine these ingredients to make a new recipe. And then you stumble across a little block of notes that you've never, for whatever reason, put together before. It is heaven. So let's jump on the kit and I will break down for you my personal 2024 chop of life. It is so much fun to play, and the great thing is it's so simple. Simple, not easy. It's hard to play it that fast, with clarity, with control, but as far as understanding it, it doesn't take much. It's made out of two things you probably already know. You've got the drum set version of the 6-stroke roll. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And you've got a double kick. Boom, boom. Not too difficult. What we're doing is we're taking that 6-stroke roll, cutting it right down the middle, cutting it in half so we have 3 and 3. Right, left, take the double kick, boop, put that in the middle, then finish off the 6-stroke roll with right, left. So the entire pattern is right, left, kick, right, left. Let's try it together, nice and slow. Now, before you start moving it all over the kit and shucking and jiving, let's just try it as a 1-bar fill. We're gonna be playing this as 30-second notes. So 1 bar of a slow groove, 1 bar of this is 30-second notes. Ha, 3 and 4, and 2 more times. Bings, give it a shot. Now, as far as orchestration, I would leave that up to you. I have my personal favorite orchestration, which is this. But keep messing around with it until you find an orchestration that speaks to you and has a melody that you really like. The goal tempo on this one, to me, is anywhere between 90 and 110. Let's give it a shot at 105. 1 bar of groove, 1 bar of fill. I do apologize. You're gonna hear that lick way too much in my playing this year, but I'm sorry. It's just a fun one to play. Now, I really hope that this video inspires you to go to the kit And maybe try this, but while trying it, maybe you accidentally play something else and you discover something for yourself. And you come up with your lick of life for this year and you find something new to bring into your playing. That's the best part about playing this instrument, is discovering things, even though we all admit, like, whatever you've discovered, someone else has played it before, but you did discover it for yourself. And so you should be proud of it, and you should be cherry picking these ideas where you go like, I just don't have to explain this to anyone. I like this. I'm gonna bring it into my drumming. I'm gonna bring it into the DNA of my playing. That's what I want for you. So have fun with this, practice, make it your own. Most importantly, be patient with yourself. See you guys next time.